up, y'all? It's your girl Aja. You can call me Adore, and welcome back to my channel.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss ex-strippers.
If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to notify every time your girl posts another bomb video, period. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey. So I am using my microphone right now because my mom is washing her clothes and it's too loud. I want y'all to only hear me. But as you see by the title, this is going to be a November reset or a monthly reset with me. Today is November the 10th. It's 9:30 currently. In this video, I'm going to be grocery shopping, meal prepping, washing my dog, laundry, washing my car, and some more stuff, y'all. So just come along with me while I reset. Okay guys, so I didn't want to bore y'all with me cleaning my room and everything like that, so I just went past that real quick. But now me are about to go wash my car. It is raining here, but my car is still dirty. The rain is not gonna clean off my car, so I want to go wash my car and then we're gonna go eat. After that, we are going to come back to the house, take a nappy. That's fine. Okay, then get up, take my comforter to the dry cleaners. Really, I could wash my comforter at home. It's just with the dry cleaners, it just feels like they can clean it better. You know what I mean? Like, it just all cleans way better when they clean it. I don't know. We're gonna wash Mocha. We're gonna wash her and shave her because she's been shedding really bad. It's getting a little annoying and she will not be that kind of dog. But while I'm at Waffle House, I'm also gonna come up with a menu because I need to go grocery shopping so I can meal prep because it's about to be a new year and I don't want to go into the new year being the big back ass bitch that I am already. We start today. Eh?
No, not today.
Like tomorrow though.
Yeah, like tomorrow, but like meal prep and shit.
Yeah. So yeah, I just want to keep y'all updated with what's going on. And so let's go, y'all. We're here at Waffle House. We're sitting at a table. What are you gonna get? Can I have your 2 egg breakfast and bacon? How would you like your eggs? Can I have them scrambled with cheese? And then can I add onions to the hash brown? Okay. That's it.
So you want a chicken, sausage, egg, and cheese bowl, grip bowl with onions, and you want onions in your hash browns, the order scrambled with cheese and bacon?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
What's the drink for you?
A water.
Water?
This all me and her do. Every time we go anywhere out to eat, all we do is talk. She want to be in the camera so bad, but she just can't. Not this time around. So this is food. And I got my food look nasty.
No, it don't. It look good. Okay, here.
Okay, so we're gonna eat. We'll catch y'all when we get to the car wash.
Y'all a YouTuber?
Huh?
Y'all a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Y'all YouTube together?
No, just me.
What do you put on your YouTube?
It's like a beauty channel. So I have like story times. I do like my maintenance routine, stuff like that.
How you, is it good? Like, do you like it?
I like it. I love it. It's like I have a bunch of friends.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
I like that.
It's cold as f. Oh, now she want the heat on, y'all. But any other time, it's too hot.
And not this song either.
And not this song either. I love when people at restaurants peep the camera and ask me questions like, yes, I'm a YouTuber. Do you want my YouTube channel?
Oh, you should have fucking gave it to her.
I thought about it, but I was nervous.
Let's
Go give it to her.
Alright. We're gonna have to start hand washing this shit.
I know. You want to today? It's too cold outside.
Yeah.
You can't wash this shit. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Oh, say hi.
Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now I'm a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now I'm a bitch okay. Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit.
Okay, so we're at the car wash. I am now going to let my man do what a man's supposed to do and vacuum and clean out my car.
Yeah, just sit here and look pretty, okay?
No, I like a specific cleaning.
Just sit here and look pretty.
So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all me vacuuming and stuff like that. I'm gonna just have the camera up.
Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. He came on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, and you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking.
So I'm at AT&T because I needed to return my trade-in phone so that I can get money off my new phone.
What's your phone number, man?
So, yeah, I charged it, but it might not cut back.
Yeah, I did that. I mean, that's all we need. I can just
Oops, sorry about that. After this, we're gonna go to Target because I want to get a planner for my content, and I also want to. I need a new SD card because I only have 28 minutes left. I don't know. I just bought this SD card, $256, $30, $42. So for me not to already have any storage is crazy. Ready? Which one you like? What is you doing? Shut up, you're playing games. Yeah. What color is this one? You like the pink one? Oh, you can't take it off. The pink was eaten, but I wanted my 3 cameras because this one got 2.
Oh, for real?
So my camera is on 3%, of course, which is crazy because I made sure I had it charged. Just did the trade-in for my iPhone. And now we're going to Target. I don't think my camera will... Do it again. I don't think my camera will last up until Target, but we're gonna just try to conserve some of the battery. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the house. When we were out, my camera ran out of storage and it died, so I wasn't able to record, but we ended up going to Target. All we got was some hangers, some dog treats. I think that's it. I didn't end up getting a planner because I really, honestly, I have hella notebooks and hella planners here. I don't feel like I need a new one. I just need more discipline. And then I also went to Best Buy and got a new SD card. But I did get my doggy some new treats. So I originally got her these when I went on vacation. These are healthy. These are her healthy pumpkin and banana flavored treats. But she does not like them at all. Like, she'll literally like not even run towards it or anything. I guess the smell of it, I don't know. So then I got her these from Target. These are the birthday cake dog treats. Unhealthy, just like her mama. I don't know. This video is all about getting my life together, so hopefully y'all are here with me and y'all hold me accountable as well. But I did see this TikTok where this girl had this app where she has like all of her daily routines and stuff on here. So like wake up, shower, get ready, blow dry hair, breakfast, work from home, blah 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 blah. I just feel like I need to download that app. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm literally about to download this app right now. And this is gonna be the app that holds me accountable for the rest of the year. I also have a calendar board that I think I'm gonna start writing in for the month of November because your girl been slacking. You hear me? Okay, y'all, so I'm back from work. I just put my 256 gigabyte SD card in my camera. Ultra Plus, and why is it telling me SD card slow, video may stop, and it only gave me 4 hours of storage. But after work I didn't do anything because I forgot how dark it gets at 6 now. I feel like it's time for me to go to bed, but I'm not. We're about to get up and go get my baby a bath because I don't know, she itching a lot. She's on her period and something bit me and we're not having it, so let's go give her a bath. like I said, I am about to give her a bath, but before I do that, I'm gonna take the sheets off my bed and my comforters and all that, because like I said, something bit me and I might be being paranoid, maybe not, but something definitely bit me. So I'm about to go ahead and wash my stuff, because absolutely not.
Around, I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch, okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing.
Here is me and Shadi. You guys actually really love her in my other videos where she just be chilling. I think she know what time it is, but let's just get into it.
Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she's so counterfeit. I'm the baddie and the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in runway, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Okay, so it's currently 9:35 and I'm washing my clothes. I finished washing my dog. She's over there in the corner, you can't see her, but I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. No, I didn't end up grocery shopping. No, I didn't end up washing my comforter, but I still got a lot off my list, so I'm still happy. Y'all can smack me or y'all can mind your business. But once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want me to do in the future, period. And follow me on all my social medias at aa.adore or Aja Uncensored. And yeah, we out.